Today, we're going to discuss a topic that many people find challenging: how to delete yourself from the internet. Deleting yourself from the internet involves removing your personal information, social media accounts, and any traces of your digital footprint. Here are the steps you need to follow to effectively remove yourself from the internet. Start by deleting your social media accounts. This includes platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and any other social networks you're a part of. Be aware that some platforms offer temporary deactivation options, so make sure to choose permanent deletion if that's your goal. Next, remove your personal information from websites. This includes blogs, forums, and any online profiles you've created. Log into each account, delete your personal information, and request account deletion if possible. Use search engines like Google to find any remaining traces of your information. Search for your name and review the results. For each result, visit the website and follow their process for removing your information. If you can't remove the content yourself, contact the website administrators. Data brokers collect and sell your personal information. To remove your data, you'll need to contact these companies directly. Websites like Whitepages, Spokeo, and others often have opt-out forms you can fill out to request the removal of your information. Be sure to back up any important information before deleting your accounts. Follow the email provider's instructions to permanently delete your account. For websites that don't have a straightforward removal process, contact the webmasters directly. If the webmaster doesn't comply, you may need to consider legal options. Services like Leak Content Removal can assist you in these situations. If the process seems overwhelming, consider using professional services like Leak Content Removal. We specialize in helping individuals remove their digital footprint effectively. Our team can help you navigate the complexities of deleting your online presence and ensure your information is thoroughly removed. Deleting yourself from the internet is a multi-step process that requires patience and diligence. By following the steps in this video, you can significantly reduce your digital footprint. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice. And if you need professional assistance with deleting your online presence, visit us at leakcontentremoval.com. Until next time, stay safe and take control of your online presence.